on here, which was Mickey Thompson. And when I took this car out, I just told him, I'm like, it made the number, but it just didn't feel right. Unfortunately, we built this kit, and then he had somebody else do the motor he wasn't really happy with, and went to his first event and had some catastrophic engine problems. We redid it with our engine. We did our headset conversion, we did our fire ring setup, so he's definitely not lifting ahead. He's gonna be happy. He picked up about same turbo, same everything, but with our engine package, picked up about 300 to 350 wheel torque. So he's gonna be stoked. Do a pull like that first gear and you'll see you're on traction, so you try to lower first, but you can see when we hit second we weren't, so then you take second gear, start bumping it up, and you build every setting that way, so you don't have multiple settings going up. You have one that you know, that's your fucking street pull. And from a dig, you're just that's your fastest setting. So we got Clint Shear's Viper here. Clint's a buddy of mine, and obviously a great customer of mine. We built him this kit a while ago, and somebody else built his motor. He went to the first race event, shit just didn't go right. He had some big problems. We redid the motor, put it up to our spec. We kind of overbuilt the motor, and Clint just wants to go 200, and he's gonna easily hit that. I think we just about hit that when we were down in Mexico. Anyway, it's a great build. So I'm not going to list all of the goodies that we did into it, but we did a lot of the things on his motor that we do on big builds. Although I'm going to say this is only a 1500 car, he's got a lot of the ingredients in the motor that you see on a 2500 car. So I'm really looking forward to Clint going to racing this thing. Clint, you're gonna be excited, buddy. And this thing hits hard now. We picked up about 350 wheel torque over where we were before, and this thing just flat out rips. So Clint will be picking this thing up on Saturday, the Labor Day weekend. I am coming in early in the morning, which I don't normally do, but for Clint I do. And I'm just super excited for him to get it. I know he's more excited to get it. We did a lot of little goodies, and he's gonna have a fucking real ride right now.